welcome to another video. I haven't posted in 1 month, but I have some new things to show you. Today we will not be looking at any stocks, or maybe we will, which probably we will. So yeah, but today I wanted to show you something new that I've made. So as you can see, I've made a LLM, a language learning model, just for myself, using a database I created on Pinecone that has SEC filings. So right now I can ask this SEC filing analyzer any sort of question. They will look at 12,000 filings, and if using Gemini API, if anything corresponds, or if there's any information in any filing that responds to any question that I ask, I will get the company result and I can look at it. So yeah, if I was more thinking of this video as a question to people who watch the videos, if they would be interested in learning how to code this type of stuff, I can help you how to use AI to code, and how to connect Yahoo Finance or any sort of API that gives you an opportunity to fetch pricing, and how you can implement that to your strategy. Right now, I'm back testing this as well. I'm going through all of the tickers with 100 different types of questions, which is this right here, these scripts right here. And these are the questions that I have, which is around 50 questions. And the backtest script, it looks at all of the questions, takes all of the filings from my Pinecone database, and checks which filings respond to each question. Afterwards, it checks the prices of the stock as soon as the filing was put out, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 21 days after, and gives me kind of a backtest, a result of which filing type or answer, or which information in which filing will provide me with the highest return. And if I get a very good number, which I would say is around 300 or 400 cases with a good return and a good profit, or a good win rate, then that's something I would invest in, right? So if you're interested in how to learn how to do this, or purely interested in using my SEC filing analyzer, or or learning, or maybe getting opportunity to code with me, you can leave a comment, and I can help you. And I'm also looking for people together to build something bigger than what I can do by myself. But moving further, we will just show you. I will just show you how my SEC filing analyzer works, and what I can do with it, and what you can do with it if you wish to have it, use it, or learn how to make it. So yeah, let's see. So we have VWH, Vision Wave Holdings. So the question I asked: which companies disclose new contracts, partnerships, or collaborations in their latest 8K filings? Results came with this. So on October 9th, which is a day ago, yesterday, company announced a strategic collaboration to advance secure real-time AI for mission critical operations. Let's go back. Let's check order between Vision. So here in this filing, we have the company customer. So the customer is Vision Wave, which is the filing we're looking at. PVML Limited, that's a private company. And services: the company provides a data and AI infrastructure that enables organizations to connect their data to Gen AI agents while streamlining permissions management. Okay. Company provides a technological solution. So a usage fee plus each excessive cost. So customer shall pay a yearly platform fee of 600,000, which includes an allotment of 200,000 PUs per month. 250k, 350 shall be 35 fully paid shares of the customer's common stock, which is not good. But yeah, this is you can play with this software. You can you learn a lot of things just by looking at all of the filings and what is the it's VWAV VWAV. This isn't necessarily a positive catalyst. It's just so actually it's been moving. It moved up a lot yesterday. It's been wow. Okay. So when was this filing filed? Failed filed. Let's see. When can I get the timestamp? Mm, let's look for VWAV. And it was filed on the 9th. Okay. When on the 9th? Material definitive agreement. Collaboration. Is there any timestamps? How can I get timestamps? Um, I want to. How can I get the timestamps? Let me check. 1 second. I'll probably cut this part out. It's supposed to be in the header of each filing, but mm, VWAV. Okay. Um, there you go. There you go. Accepted at 8:46 in the morning. Sorry that it took a while. 8:46 in the morning, and this is I'm assuming, is this my time or is this um so Eastern time. Eastern time. Let me check. So New York time. Okay, so it was accepted at 8:30 New York time on the 9th. Okay, I will just show you the stock. Let's get it on the screen. It's not going there because of this one. Or never mind, there it is. Okay, so there you have. There you go. There's the stock. And the 9th, right by the opening, you'd get it at 8:30. I can also before market opens. Market opened with a gap, but still, nice 12% gain, right? And that's kind of what I'm trying to do here is capitalize on information that is not being kind of gathered by big investment firms and machine learning models yet, which this is an edge that will probably go out soon because I don't think the models are yet as as sophisticated enough to search through complicated filings and quantify them or decide whether they're positive or negative catalysts. Of course, like the basic ones like instant cash, something like that. That's pretty easy. Or PDF, not PDF, but FDA acceptance and trial completions and all of that. That is pretty straightforward, which could cause an increase in price. Instantly, it's instantly reflected in the price because these investment firms and hedge funds have already made those softwares that picks it up and instantly purchase it. So yeah, okay, I'm trying to get an edge here by doing by just trying to get information before other people do or other investors, positive catalysts. Okay, let's look at something else. This is only 8 Qs. Forgot to change this little text here. But yeah, this video was more about just trying to wonder if you guys want this information or want to learn. I can create a Discord group. You just have to subscribe. You'll see it in the next video if it gets kind of any good feedback, if there's a lot of views and everything. But let's see this one, for example. This is a thank you, never mind. Well, yeah, it's because backlog is only reported in quarterly and yearly reports. So there you go. You can know, yeah, I also have those. It's like a mix, but here it's put only 8K. So yeah. This is the most basic SEC filing catalyst that everyone in their family knows it. So FDA approvals. But this is gonna be a quick video. It's almost ending. And also, if interested, you have Notify Me Edgar. You can buy alerts for specific catalysts. If you're interested in 8K reports, and you want to get earnings release, phase one, all of these catalysts, subscribe and you get emails sent to you instantly as soon as it happens. But yeah, no filings, FDA approval. One company plans to submit a license in the first quarter, another is awaiting approval from China. So this is actually very good. ADVB. That's a yearly report. But yeah, this is something I'll look into after. Let's just check the price of the stock. ADVB. ADVB. There you go. Price is pennies on the dollar. One. It doesn't take anything to put in 100. I don't know, couple hundred, maybe 1,000, a bit more into the stock. As soon as they get some sort of approval, and if they're not profitable, and they get approval from China to sell their products, you can expect it to multiply times in price. As easy as it sounds, truly. Of course, if they don't get approval, it will plummet. But this is not a very risky stock. Plus, it's pretty recent, very recent IPO. And if they're getting approval so soon, it's kind of unheard of for me. But you can try to look into it, and it looks pretty good. But yeah, so this is it for today. If you're interested in getting this, learning how to code, learning how to build software for investments, want to get an edge. There's not only an edge in SEC filings, there's an edge. There's a lot of edge, you just have to find the right thing that is still only used by less people than it has to be used, if you understand what I mean. As soon as people find out, the edge is gone, right? So if you're still one of the first ones that does something like this or finds an edge, you can still profit on that until you can't anymore. So yeah, that's it for today. So let me know if you're interested. Drop a comment, a like, and subscribe. So yeah, thank you.